Well, tonight the clock is ticking for Congress to renew FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program. Lawmakers have until Friday to give the government-backed coverage the green light to continue operating. Otherwise, a lapse could force FEMA to stop selling and renewing policies. 10 Tampa Bay's Christina Mendez joins us live here in the studio. And Christina, this really puts home buyers in a tough position.
Yeah, Courtney, a lapse may impact about 1,300 property sales each day and upwards of 40,000 closings per month. Now, that's across the country, according to the National Association of Realtors. So here at home, though, if you already have an NFIP policy, breathe a sigh of relief. Yours would remain in effect until that expiration date. FEMA says it would also still pay out valid claims made through your flood insurance as long as those funds are available. Since the last multi-year reauthorization expired in 2017, FEMA says there's been 3 brief lapses and 31 short-term extensions. Friday's looming deadline, though, for Congress comes on the heels of a devastating hurricane season for Tampa Bay. Now, a local realtor says she hopes to see permanent solutions made in the storm's wake.
As someone who was just flooded, I mean, it's hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so to not be able to have that protection is putting a family's whole financial future on the line. And so we would really ask them to give that authorization, and hopefully this year we see them do a permanent reauthorization, so every few months people aren't having to go through the stress of this.
And in a statement to 10 Tampa Bay, U.S. Representative Kathy Castor wrote in part, quote, Congress has the responsibility to safeguard these protections and strengthen the NFIP, adding it's essential for Congress to reauthorize the program. Now, Congress is in session this week, but experts suggest paying for a policy right now, even if you intend on closing on your property after Friday, to have protections in place if a lapse does happen. In the studio, I'm Christina Mendez, 10 Tampa Bay.